In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS5 to your phone hotspot. So if your Wi-Fi is not available or your Wi-Fi is down, you can still access the internet on your PS5 using your phone's internet. Now trust me, this is going to work for both your Android phone and your iPhone, and if you're having the issue where your phone hotspot is not being shown as one of the devices on your PS5, this is usually the case in most iPhones. I am going to show you how to fix that issue. Now first things first, you want to go over to the hotspot settings of your phone. So go ahead and open up the settings of your phone, and then you just want to go over to portable hotspot over here. Now go ahead and turn on portable hotspot, and then come down to set portable hotspot, and from here you should see your hotspot name and your hotspot password. You can also go ahead to edit this to whatever you want to, and once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the done button over here, and then make sure that your portable hotspot is actually turned on. On your iPhone, you want to come over to the settings of your iPhone over here, and then you just want to go over to the personal hotspot settings. Now go ahead and make sure that allow others to join is turned on, and then you want to also make sure that you know the password of your hotspot, which is basically the number you can see over here. Now mind you, you can actually edit this to whatever you want to, but in my case I actually want numbers that is easy for me to enter, so I'll just go ahead and keep up with that. Now another thing you also want to make sure you do is to make sure that you turn on maximize compatibility. Trust me, if this is not turned on, you may not be able to find your iPhone hotspot on the list of Wi-Fi or hotspot networks you can connect to on your PlayStation 5. So make sure that maximize compatibility is turned on, and you should be able to find your iPhone hotspot on the list of devices on your PS5. And once your mobile phone hotspot is turned on, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, you want to come over to your PS5, and then you just want to scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your PS5. So just scroll over to the top, and then you want to scroll over to where you have this settings icon over here. Go ahead and select it, and then you also want to scroll down to where you have network over here. Click on network, and then just scroll down to settings, move over to the right hand side, and then select connect to the internet over here. Now once this is done, your PS5 Wi-Fi has been turned on. Now go ahead and click on set up internet connection, and automatically your PS5 will start looking for available Wi-Fi networks it can actually connect to. Over here you can literally see my Redmi 12, which is my Android phone, and even my iPhone, which is the iPhone 13 SAM. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and select the Wi-Fi network or hotspot you want to connect to. In my case, I want to select the Redmi 12, and then I will just go ahead and select it just like so. Now you want to go ahead and enter your password, so just click on the X button over here, and then you just want to use the virtual keyboard over here to enter your password. And once you're done, you want to scroll down, and then just click on the done button over here, and then click on OK, and automatically your PS5 will start connecting to your phone hotspot. And as you can see, it is now connected to my Redmi 12 phone hotspot. Now if you go back to the previous option and then just come over to where you have connection status over here, you can literally see that Redmi 12 is actually connected, and there is also internet connection, and my PlayStation network is also signed in. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.